Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming attachment points and removing nearby trim that blocks access. Use a heat gun on low to soften adhesive. Keep moving to avoid paint damage. Pry gently with a plastic tool at the edge where clips sit, then switch to a thin metal pick if clips resist. Once a small gap appears, work along the garnish, releasing one clip at a time. Make sure to keep track of fasteners and note clip orientation for reinstallation. Next, tackle stubborn clips and hidden screws that hold the chrome garnish. Apply a little penetrating spray to corroded screws and wait a minute before using a torque driver. Avoid over-torquing. For nylon clips, use dedicated clip pliers to compress and pull simultaneously to prevent breakage. If adhesive remains, reapply heat and scrape with a plastic razor blade at a low angle. Make sure to support the garnish as more clips release, so it doesn't spring off and damage surrounding. Finally, lift the garnish evenly from one side to the other and set it on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Clean residual adhesive with an appropriate solvent and a plastic scraper, then wipe with isopropyl to remove residue. Inspect all clips and replace any that are damaged before reinstalling. If the garnish binds during removal, stop and reapply heat, then reevaluate clip locations. Forcing it risks bending or cracking the trim, so slow. Repeated releases are safer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.